Greetings YouTube and welcome to Buford, Georgia. Here we are at HobbyTown. Yes, we're out on adventure today. We're going to go in here and see what's going on inside, see the layout of the store. Right here in Buford, Georgia. Let's walk on inside. I didn't ask for permission. As you walk in, you're going to see your rockets. Pretty nice door. Loving it, loving it. Rockets hanging from the ceiling. You got your models. All your accessories for your models. Very clean store. I talked to Phillip, the manager. If you need anything at all, come by and see Phillip here at HobbyTown. He'll go ahead and take care of you. Really nice guy. I talked to him for a couple of minutes. You can see he keeps his store top notch. You got your members having a meeting back there. We're going to start back here in the back and take a peek at some of these cars that they have. I know a lot of you guys, not only do you fly, but you also like to look at the cars. That right there is a nitro buggy. I tried to pick it up a minute ago. Couldn't even pick it up, it's so heavy. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Shelf is just full of stock. One thing you don't have to worry about here, them being out of stock. Excellent, excellent. Your tires, all your new shoes for your trucks. I know y'all like to go real fast and blow the tires clean off the vehicles. Pretty nice store. Really hot outside. We've been running around all day. I've been trying to get them to bring me to the hobby shop. Kept on at them, bring me to the hobby shop. There's some paints. And there you go, some of them bodies for you guys that like to rip them up and tear them up. Good, clean, brand new bodies. You got plenty of them. Plenty of them. All your parts. I know how you guys are. Y'all like to tear them up. There's just some boats. Really nice, clean store. I like it a lot. Your model paints for you guys that like to model. Tools. Precision tools. Plenty of Traxxas, X-Max, Axial, HPI Racing. He's got it. If you need it, he's got it. And of course, the one I want, right there in front of you, Typhoon H. Only thing that's holding me back is that right there. Also took a peek at these right here. That looks pretty cool. DM104S. Looks like a little Inductrix clone. You got your propellers and tires for your fixed wing aircraft. Like I said, if you want it, he's got it. There's your helicopters. 3D helicopters, aerobatic stuff. I want one of them really bad too. There's your Inductrix. Spidex. Bodies for your helicopters. Steel rods. Miscellaneous parts. There's Phillip dealing with the customer.
So ARMA is a transition period.
More of your $20 off. Can't beat that, fellas. Y'all need to come see them here at HobbyTown in Buford, Georgia. Really nice store. People are just awesome here. You know. I'll circle around one more time. I'm going to pull it up to a stop. As soon as you walk in the door, you'll see this nice lady. have a nice word with her. She seems very, very nice. Phillip, thank you very much. We appreciate you.
You're very welcome.
And there you have it, folks. Very busy store. Hope y'all enjoy it. I told him I wouldn't take about 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and make one more round, and then we're going to get on out of here, and we're going to head on to the next place. Don't know where we're going next, but I know we're going somewhere. Alrighty, folks, this is the Silver Top Flyer at Hobbytown in Buford, Georgia. Y'all stay with us. I may have another little adventure for you today. This is the Silver Top Flyer, signing off.